Hello and welcome to this update video. If you are involved with YouTube as a creator or follow large channels, you are likely to have heard of the Nazi pug trial involving Count Dankula. A poor taste joke and the Scottish judiciary. What could have gone wrong? This wasn't a planned video, but the longer it stands, the more it stirs a deep-seated concern about the future of this channel. The reason it is being discussed here are the ramifications of this ruling on this channel and prospectively others. The short version of events are as follows. 2 years ago, the creator, Mark Meechan, had an issue. His girlfriend had a pug. This was an adorable pug according to her, and she ranted about how cute it was. So much so that he was driven to create a satire out of it. He did so by turning it into the most not cute thing imaginable. He trained it to respond to commands, particularly Sieg Heil, the notorious salute of the Nazi Party, recorded it watching the Nurempug rallies, and responding to other verbal commands. He uploaded this to YouTube as a video titled, "Mate, your dog's a Nazi," with a better explanatory preface and what he planned to get out of it. This was intended to just get a few laughs from friends and family, aggravate his girlfriend, and end there. Unfortunately, it went viral with 3 million views as of the beginning of this debacle. As a result, he was arrested and charged with hate crime under Scottish legislation. After 2 years, he has been convicted with the sentence deferred. He was convicted of being grossly offensive. This is due to the racist and anti-Semitic content aggravated by prejudice, according to the judge. This is based on the judge and prosecutor's belief that his actions were motivated by reasons other than those stated. This is better known as thought crime. Since then, others have made the point, the following video highlighting how the UK law enforcement has opted to treat similar content as a serious crime deserving immediate investigation. Jonathan Pye partially reenacted a scene from Fawlty Towers in this video. Now, this is not jumping on the bandwagon of a recent scandal, but is a justified source of concern given some of the content produced on this channel and other recent events. Let's assume you are from an ultra-conservative religion or culture, such as Antifa or third-wave feminism. That may make alcohol, evolution, genetics, GMO technology, or statistics as a topic that is an impropriety or worse. Could the content of these videos be seen as grossly offensive? The answer is probably yes. Historical moments, such as the founding populations, can be figured out and identified. This removes mystery and intrigue and replaces it with fact. Differences identified through empirical evidence should not be questioned with a person's feelings, but require evidence. The De Moore memo is a good example of such an argument, and how these things fail in this environment of being offended. What about more quantifiable variables? Genes, for example. The ability to show that behavioral changes are directly associated with genes and can be directly correlated with the distribution of the population is no longer evidence, but is seen as racism or being grossly offensive. What about education on alcohol? At least 1.6 billion people are religiously prescribed to not drink this, and the number could easily be larger. The same problem extends to education and information. Is it then offensive to provide information, or to mock fanciers of particular types? These are the problems identified and highlighted by the Count Dankula conviction, beyond the idiosyncrasy and stupidity of the conviction itself. Will the videos stop? No. That is simply answered. Ignorance is not solved by more ignorance, but by challenging ideas and seeing what stands after being tested. John Cleese and Stephen Fry both answer why this is necessary, and those videos are linked below. Thank you for watching this. Please post any comments, questions, or suggestions you may have below.